Governor Ajay Bhalla has called for a transparent, efficient and consumer-centric power sector in Manipur. Governor Bhalla was speaking during first Foundation Day observance of Manipur Electricity Regulatory Commission, in short MNERC, at Sangai Hall of Hotel Imphal today. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand, Chief Secretary Dr. Kumar and Chairperson of MNERC Sobam Ipopishak graced the function. Addressing the gathering, Governor Ajay Bhalla highlighted the importance of electricity in powering our homes, industries, hospitals, educational institutions and digital infrastructure. He added that reliable, affordable and quality electricity is indispensable to Manipur's economic progress and well-being of its people. Speaking further, Governor Ajay Bhalla maintained that institutions like Manipur Electricity Regulatory Commission will have increasingly important role in achieving the vision of Viksit Bharat and national development through fairness, transparency and technological innovation. The governor expressed confidence that Manipur Electricity Regulatory Commission will continue to strengthen the public trust, uphold highest standard and emerge as institution of regulatory commission serving the people of Manipur.
One should look at the power sector now, depending on our peak requirements, what PPAs I have entered into, how can I use this power when I don't need it, can I sell it in the market and make more money and buy more power when I need it from the market. So it's a really a job which needs 24/7 attention, and some of the states have really done very well on this front. I'm confident that Commission will continue to strengthen public trust, uphold the highest standards of professionalism and emerge as model of regulatory institutions serving the people of Manipur.
On the other hand, Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand highlighted the importance of electricity in today's world. He urged Manipur Electricity Regulatory Commission to meet the expectation of electricity consumers while also assuring all necessary support from the government.
visionary thing, packet Pilakani and get Ajay. Commission Matangani, Secretary Chairperson in Toto, high revenue, and we talk into one Pajaraway, and Tamzabada, Commission Sina Taropa about Kudimaka in Matin Panjabi part to Lobsaki, Hajarkanda.